Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Friends brushing their teeth. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle, then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Amazing! Pocoyo is a curious, fun-loving, friendly toddler who's always into experiencing new and exciting adventures. Elly is a gentle and caring pink elephant who enjoys ballet and always looks out for her friends. Amazing! I love my pen. Caterpillar is a tiny, green insect who eventually transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Pato is a cautious and often serious yellow duck who likes things to be in order. I love my pen. Loula is Pocoyo's loyal and energetic pet dog who loves to play and follow him around. Baby Bird is a small, blue bird who loves to sing and often perches on a tree. Fred the octopus is an exuberant character who loves to perform and show off his many talents. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Pocoyo is a curious and playful young boy who loves to explore and learn new things with his friends. Amazing! Elly. I love my pen. Caterpillar. Pato. Loula and Baby Bird. Fred. Amazing! Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red, yellow, orange, light green, blue. Pocoyo and his friends brush their teeth together every morning, making it a fun and healthy routine. Purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.